back to KenoLife, coming to you from El Cortez, downtown Las Vegas. We're playing the U-1 machines here, and today we are going to be playing Parrots Gold. So let's see here, we'll see what the payout's going to be. Let's do a 7 spot, and then looks like if we get these coin hits, we get either 4 times or 10 times, and then you might get both of these deals here. We'll find out. Let's let her roll. Got our money back. We're going $1 pop. 1 coin hit there. $2, 4 out of 7, no coins. Coins appear random, you may be able to place them, I'm not sure. Never played this before. Learning. $2. So it looks like there's 3 coins that pop up. Okay, so I thought there was 5 coins, there's only 3. So if you hit 2, it's 4 times at $1. If you hit all 3 of the coins, then it's 10 times. Okay. Some of you probably figured that out well before I did. Doesn't take much to outsmart me, believe me. These machines do it every day. So we didn't win anything on ours, but we got $1 because of the coin hits. So we got just $1. So on the pay table, if you get 2 coins, it's 4 times. 4 times the top bet is more than the standard payout. Standard payout on most casinos for 7 straight up is $7,000. So. Hope everyone's having a great day out there. Thanks for checking my content out. Be sure to like and subscribe and leave a comment below. Come to Vegas a couple times a year and try to get as much content as I can out here because I can't record locally. So hopefully you enjoy it. So I can't react. It's not bad. It almost looked like that bird laid a golden egg over there, didn't it? So this one for me is kind of middle of the road. Again, it's similar to Caveman with the eggs or the coins or whatever. What do you guys think? You like it? Not like it? Yep, that's okay. Obviously, if you get a good hit with it, If that's a potential 10 times, that'd be $22,000 for the top prize if you hit your 7 spot and the 3 coins. Okay, let's give it 5 more spins here. There we go. And we got double whammy there. So we got the 4 times our bet, and then 2 coins, so we get an extra $1. I think that was the biggest win for that session there, wasn't it? Or we get $10 one time. Okay, we'll say it's last draw. Okay, that is Parrots Gold from Cortez on the U-1 machine. Thanks for tuning in, everybody. Have a great day. KenoLife out.